Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. In some latest developments, Sonia Matsikanda and her mother, senior FBC bank manager Tabitha Matsikanda, have arrived in court following their arrest over allegations of fraud and violations of Zimbabwe Cyber and Data Protection Act. The pair arrived at Harare Magistrate Court this morning in connection with a complaint filed by businessman Wignell Chivayo. According to the state, Chivayo alleges that his ex-mother-in-law and other bank officials conspired to remove him as a signatory from his two children's investment account and attempted to transfer over $1.4 million United States dollars without his authorization. Sonia, on the other hand, faces separate charges relating to the circulation of alleged AI-generated images online. Investigators claim she's behind digitally created photos showing Chivayo with the South African President Cyril Ramaphosa, which were allegedly generated from her phone. We'll keep you posted on the proceedings of the court case. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.